Are you new to the NFT space? Don't have any idea how to buy one or what to look for? What makes good projects better than others? Who should you be following? If you're seeing this, it's probably because you've been poking around the NFT space and community and have some questions. Tons of images, videos, GIFs, and even music are being presented as NFTs and are selling every day for a lot of money, and traders are also making lots of money from simple purchase resells. In this video, we'll go over 2 great ways to look for an NFT project and the intricacies in knowing which projects are best. Let's go over the first way to find a project, which is the use of social media. With the power of social media, finding an NFT project can be very easy. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and also YouTube are the best social platforms when looking for the next best project to invest in. All 4 of these platforms can essentially be used similarly in a sense that a user can simply keep updated with many different projects that the account shares. Since lots of people are in search for the next best NFT project, the value overall can skyrocket on the first couple of days of release of the project. There are tons of accounts to be followed on any social platform, but let's quickly go over some account pages to follow on Instagram. Metaverse, NFT Mentor, NFT Money, and Invest NFT. These accounts have tons of updates and news on the latest crypto NFT trends. Following different celebrities that are involved in the NFT space is also a great venture, since they already have a massive following, which makes it prone for a successful NFT launch. Some celebrities that have a history with NFTs are Gary Vee, Logan Paul, Amber Rose, and Jason Derulo. Following some projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club, VFriends, Bored Bunny NFT, CloneX Mintfile, Hate Beast, or Faceless on Twitter can also help expand your scope of awareness when looking for a project, since these projects are always helping promote other startup NFT projects. There are also great Twitter NFT giveaway accounts like Plalism, Strike By The Way, NFL Cheerios, and Senior NFT, and if you go in recommendations you can even follow more. The best way to keep up with many of these projects is to create a Discord account to join their communities. Discord is simply the easiest way to talk over voice, video, and text. Talk, chat, hang out, and stay close with your friends and communities. When entering any server, you will have to verify yourself first, either by checking a small verification box or by validating a CAPTCHA. Once you have passed this step, you are officially on the project server. On your left side of the Discord platform, you will find the menu. This is where the server and all its channels are organized. Most servers are organized in the same way. On the top left you will find the project stats, supply, price, date of mint, number of whitelist, etc. Then there are the important channels like announcements, official links, rules, giveaways, sneak peek, roadmap, and launch map. These channels are mainly reserved for the project managers. They are channels that are used to communicate officially with the community. Then there are community channels. These are the channels where you will be able to talk and meet other people in the community. There are also general channels, and even in different languages. There are also often other channels about other topics like sports, gaming, and crypto. 2 that we particularly like are the fan art and the meme club, because people have free reign to use their creativity, and it often gives great results. Make sure to look over the options and channels, so you have a good chance to explore all of the Discord community benefits. You will often see the same keywords on Discord, so here are the most important ones to know with their definitions. AMA, Ask Me Anything. Hype, move of trend or a fast and strong movement of fashion. LFG, let's fucking go. Whitelist, to be in WL is to be sure to have your spot for mint during the pre-sale. Docs, when the owners are public. Paper hands, people that are here to flip NFTs quickly. Diamond hands, people that are here to invest long-term in any project. HODL, to hold. List, sell your NFT. Floor price, the cheapest NFT listed on OpenSea. Roadmap, the planning of the project before and after mint. Raid, it's when everyone will attack the same celebrity, influencer, or page to make him or her know the project. Launch map, the planning of the project before the mint during the whole marketing stage. Sweep the floor. Buy NFT for the floor to make it higher. DOA, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. And now you are set to find your next project because you will be targeted by a lot of projects. Now let's take a look at the second way to look for NFT projects, which is using website tools. There are many websites, but the top recommended websites to look over are websites like Rarity Tools, NFL Drop Calendar, OpenSea, DApp Radar, and Upcoming NFT. All of these websites help the buyers give an upcoming date on any new project. They show their launch date, supply, price, roadmap, social network, and websites of any specific project. So you are going to be able to analyze every project you find interesting. Understanding the roadmap of an NFT project. The roadmap of a project is mainly the business plan and future of the NFT project. Most of the time, merch, events, and VIP clubs are offered as exclusives to any NFT holder of the project. Some of them also create their token. Include staking. Create a metaverse for the holders. Or are simply involved in fashion. Keep in mind the importance of analyzing a project. Here's a few key aspects when looking into any NFT project. Look into the design and artist of the project. Does the artist have a history? When has the project been created, and are they maintaining the roadmap secure? What is the supply of the project, and does it align with the marketing? What blockchain network is the project being launched in? Ethereum, Solana, or another type of blockchain? What is the price of the NFT mint? Do you personally like the roadmap? Do you think it will be a successful project long term? When is the mint date, and will there be a white list? Is there a pre-sale for the white list? Make sure to always follow their announcements and check the chats for any updates. Always triple question yourself to determine if you will be willing to invest money you can lose. For example, questions like, do I like art? Do I think the roadmap has great potential? Do I like their marketing strategy? Do I think their floor will rise up? What can happen when the project comes out? After doing so, you should be ready to know which project you will be willing to get into.